Hi, I am Kaleb Money and I will be your welding instructor. The most beautiful or satisfying thing about welding is making something from nothing. Students who take this class can expect a number of different things. And this class is really kind of vague in the sense where it could take someone who's welded for 30 years and there's still something for them, or someone who has never picked up a welding gun at all and they're just wanting to try and see where that takes them. Whether it's just learn how to repair an old trailer or build a small project or even a career. If you've ever had any interest in welding, come join us. We'll have a lot of fun and you might learn something new.